channel. This is a continuation tutorial for advanced Java stream. As you know, in real world application, Java stream help us for lots of application. Now we will talk about concrete example involving advanced Java stream in real world application. Let's think about that you are developing an e-commerce platform and you need to analyze sales data to find trends and insights. So here how you might use Java Stream to process and analyze this data. So let's say here what we are going to see, finding the top 3 selling products. So let's think about that. Suppose you have a list of order objects, each containing a list of product object along with their quantities and price. Using Java streams, you can process this data to find the top 3 selling products. Using Java streams, now we can process this data to find top 3 selling products based on the quantity sold. So here we are going to create one example where we will define all the details. So for that, first of all, we need to define our own data models. First, we define two simple data models. One is the order and another one is the product. So for product and order, we need to define over here. So let me create this. So if you see that product and order, we need to define here. So this is like order and this is the product. Okay, so these are the like two entities, two model here we need to create. We can create separate as well as in together also we can create. So here we can delete this now. So it will be separate. So this is the order. As you can see, this order class actually containing the list of products, right? And this product actually having this name, quantity sold and the price. So these details actually these two model having. Now here what we are going to do, we are going to create the list of orders where we need to set like it will contain the multiple products. This can be fetched from the database, but as for the demonstrating this one, here we are going to create a sample dummy list. After that we will process this data with the Java streams. So let me create one main class for that. Like let me create one main class over here, new class like product analytics. Okay, we need the public static void main. Okay, so here this main is there. So now first of all we need to defining list of order. So here we are going to create the dummy product. So as you can see, like here we have defining all the orders here. So now here if you see that we need to create this constructor first. This is having these three parameter, name, quantity sold and the price. Now here name, quantity sold and price. Still it's showing issues. Let us see. Remove, create constructor. Okay. We need to set this one. Okay. Okay. So now here you can see that we have created dummy orders over here, like new orders, right? and here also we are just creating the list of orders over here, and then we are creating that list of order. Next, actually we are going to uh, we need to convert this particular list of order into the stream. So what basically we are going to do over here, we are going to like uh, like we will defining the Java stream to process this data to find the top 3 selling products. So here we are going to use this flat map to convert this list of orders to the stream of products. Like flat map is basically used to transform each orders list full product into a single stream of products. So how we are going to doing that? I can write the code over here. Order dot get products. So here we need to, yeah, it's a get setter is there. Okay, so here you can see using this flat map we are converting this order list of products into a into a stream of products, right? So this is the stream of product. Next, group the product by their name and sum up the quantities sold using this collectors dot grouping by and collectors dot summing int. So that we are going to use over here, collectors and map. So here is this stream we are going to collect, and here we are going to use this grouping by get name and the summing int by quantity sold. Like grouping by is, as you can see, this group by actually products by their name and summing int sum the quantities sold for each product. Next, we are going to sort the entities by quantity sold in descending order using sorted method. Okay, so here if you see this product cell dot entity set dot stream, then sorted we are using over here by reverse order, means we are descending order, we are listing it, and then we are going to collect this one. And finally we need to limit the result to top 3 product using limit. So this limit restrict the stream to return the first 3 elements, effectively giving us top 3 selling product. So here we are going to use this limit. So if you see that dot stream, then we are adding the limit operations over here, so it will restrict us to giving the 3 product over here. Now we just need to print the data. So that's why we are going to use this for each. Here we are going to key and the value. Now what else we need to do? We just need to start the application by running the application by run as Java application. So here if you see, so now you can get the details. This is the mouse, that quantity sold 25. For this laptop it's 8, and the keyboard quantity sold is 7. So as you can see, so this is the thing that we can use. So mouse, the quantity sold for this mouse is 25 for laptop. So here you can see this quantity sold is, this is the quantity sold. So here for laptop 5, then 10, 15, then 18, right? So average is 8. So this is actually about to mark or get or calculate or analyze the things using the Java stream. So this is the for over here, we are using this flat map, grouping by, sorted, limit, and the collect. So this flat map basically convert a stream of list of product into a single stream of product. Grouping by groups the product by name and sum up the quantities sold. The sorted method is basically sort the product by quantity sold in descending order, and the limits the result to the top 3 product. And finally, the collect one is collect the result into a list. So this is about this one. So in this way basically we can use, means we can find out the top 3 selling product in real world, and this kind of things we can use in our real world application. So this is all about this one. In next I will come with up another example, another real world example which we can use in our application. This is all about this one. If you guys have anything, please do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for your time. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.